guys, it's Mr. Goliath with the September 10th agenda on this summative Thursday. Glad you are here. We are making our banners for our website. The summative is your name banner, which I'll show you momentarily, which is item number 4. There's a shortcut to get to the document. We also will be making today and tomorrow a blog one and an artifact banner. You're going to see that once you make one, the next ones, I mean, literally you can make them in about 5 minutes. So it's going to go pretty quick. There'll be a link here for you to watch momentarily as well. So let's click this link right here. And your summative opens up. Don't worry about anything in the bell ringers. I do recommend, however, watching this on banners. And if you are looking for the Elite Challenge, this animated GIF banner is amazing. It's challenging, but it's amazing. For everybody else, which is like 90% of you, you're going to be down here. It says Banner Explained. Watch these 4 videos, and you'll be able to make your banner however you want to make yours. Please don't think I'm telling you, hey, make a lightning and moon. No, that's what I made. I want you to make your own creative ones, but these will give you the ideas. The additional banners will show you with the vlog and blog and artifacts. So everything is here, super helpful. It's going to be fun. I look forward to your creations. In the end, this is what mine looks like. And you'll see the tutorial on how I made mine. I tried to keep the lightning theme for my other creations. Like this is my vlog and blog. And then this is my artifact. You'll know I made some slight alterations, but I'm trying to keep the colors kind of similar on the sub pages. And then I had my main banner stand out. So this one is the summative. All of these are going to end up on your website. We're going to be doing websites Monday, Tuesday. And then remember, if you're up for the Elite Challenge, this animated GIFs, you'll click there. This video comes up. The only thing I wanted to say is the dimensions obviously will be different because you're making a banner, but the way to do it is taught right in that video, and it's really cool. I'm excited about that challenge as well. So I will see you guys depending either Thursday or Friday in class. Artifacts, everything is going to be turned in Friday. Flipgrid Friday. Tomorrow's focus will all be about how we turn it in. You have 2 days to complete 3 banners, which the banners, honestly, I'm guessing 25 minutes of work, maybe 30. So you have plenty of time over 2 days, and we'll do the Flipgrid tomorrow. So have a great day. Good luck.